These days, a low JAMB score does not necessarily mean that you cannot gain admission into a federal or state university. Interestingly, many universities in the last few years have reduced their cutoff marks, and many of these schools may bring their cutoff marks between 130 and 160. This means that many candidates with low JAMB scores still have a good chance of securing admission. The purpose of this video is to make it easier for candidates with low JAMB scores to be able to know universities that can accept them for their post-UTME screening exercise, and don't hesitate to share this video to others.